We will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Clover app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. Would you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here. So then here can you search or looking for Clover app in this list, so just click on search. Then here at Clover app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. So then all you have to do, so you click here on clear cache, then you go to your Play Store here. So you go to your Play Store, click on it, then you search here for Clover-Period app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.